Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to NG Super Kitchen, the authentic cook of Aroma One. Today, I am making for you a very delicious, yummy spicy chicken. If you are new to my channel, I want to say a very big welcome. And to you all, my lovely returnees, thank you so much for being so loyal. Without you, this channel will not be where it is today. So thank you for it coming back to watch my channel. So I have washed my chicken. I am using 2 whole chicken. Don't worry. All the ingredients will be provided in the description box. So what I've added there now is I have added a homemade multi-purpose seasoning, and the other ingredient that is going in there is I'm adding salt for taste, a chicken cube, minced herb, parsley, olive oil. I'm also going to be adding Worcestershire sauce. So all these ingredients that I will be adding to this chicken, I will now mix them up, ensuring that all of those ingredients are well marinated into the chicken. So let me hit you with this. This particular method chicken, I'm going to be marinated for 24 hours. So it's going to stay in the fridge for 24 hours. But if you are so much in a hurry to make yours, you can at least keep it overnight or 2 hours in the very day. So this is going to go now. After mixing it up, I'll cover it, seal it up, and refrigerate it for 24 hours. I've just added the bay leaf, and then after this I'm sealing it up now, and it's going into the refrigerator. Now after 24 hours, the next day that I'm making this in the evening, I am now going to set my oven to 170 degrees, grease my oven tray, and then transfer the marinated chicken. Oh my gosh, the aroma alone from this chicken, even without cooking it, is so inviting. So once I do that, I'm going to cover up the chicken with a kitchen foil, all the flavors, to seal in that moisture from the flavor. So I'll put that chicken into the oven. While the chicken is slowly baking in the oven, I will now start preparing my spicy sauce. I have heated up the oil, and now I've added the tomato puree. You can kind of dilute your tomato puree, but I have not done that because I want that to fry quickly. So once I fry that for a while, I'm going to now add the blended minced pepper. Like I said, all the ingredients will be provided in the description box, but feel free to adjust the ingredient according to your preference. You can add more pepper if you want it more spicy, or you can reduce it by the time you say the ingredients. So there I've just added salt and then the chicken seasoning. I'll stir that all in and allow it to cook. I will fry the sauce until there are no longer those tangy tastes that is in the tomato puree or the blended minced pepper. I will also be adding the remainder of the scotch bonnet. At this stage, I will reduce my cooker. This is so to allow the sauce to fry gradually until it's ready. While allowing the sauce to simmer, I will now check on the chicken. Wow, the aroma is so inviting. Can you see that? So all the juices that have now drained out from the chicken, I'm going to be now, taking from those liquid and trace them all over the chicken before turning it to the other side to cook equally. And once I'm done turning this to the other side of the chicken, I'm going to use a fork and punch the chicken just to check the texture, because this is hard chicken, like it takes a little bit time to cook, and depending on the how tender you want your chicken, so you need to really cook it at least to get tender enough to be able to chew and enjoy. The aroma, like I said, of this chicken, guys, you need to try this method. This is the best chicken ever. It is very tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, and like you see, the chicken is ready to go. You can now serve this chicken. If you do not want it with the sauce, you can enjoy it as a snack. You can enjoy this chicken with any meal. You can shred it to cook any kind of meal you want, pasta, rice, you name it. So this chicken is good to go. But like I said, this is a spicy chicken, so those sauce will be going all on top of this chicken and rubbed in, and the chicken will be returned back to the oven. So let's go check our sauce. If you're a lover of hard chicken or boiled chicken, so you can also call it, you would agree with me that a well-cooked boiled chicken is the tastiest of all chicken. So our sauce is ready. I'm now pouring those sauce on top of the chicken. I'm going to empty all those sauce on it, rub it round, and return this chicken back to the oven. At this time, I'll reduce the oven to 160 degree, allowing this chicken to cook gradually until it becomes crispy. You can do that, keep checking it. This can take almost like 5 to 7 minutes, or just check it until you get that preferred chicken texture that you are looking for. So our chicken is ready. Like I said, this chicken can be enjoyed on its own. It can be paired with cooked beans, rice, pasta, or you can shred it to cook any other kind of meal, fried rice, you name it. It is versatile. It's extremely delicious. I hope you've enjoyed cooking with me. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button to keep supporting my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you'll be the first to get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Until next time, I love you all. It's goodbye.